All right, guys. Getting in on this one. Starting this recording a little bit late, man. Just got damn sidetracked it on hitting my record button when I went into this trade. But called out this trade pre-market. It was one of my call outs at the end of our live session on TikTok as well. This Russell trade here. This is my quant tower shows I'm still in the trade. I hit TP1 already. I have a TP2 right up here, and so far heading in the right direction. I moved my stop to break even already as well, but just wanted to go back and let me switch to trading view. It's just much easier to show here. Yeah, so on trading view, I had this area marked out. Um, I had S5 circled. Here's my drawing here. All right, so here's my drawing here. I had S5 circled out for Russell. Wanted waited for Russell to get down to S5. It was already inside of demand zone, so I liked the placement of an S5 as well. So I was just looking for it to do this move here, come down, hit S5, and show us a reversal. But at the same time, um, RSI as well was a factor as well because it did reach oversold levels by the time it got to S5, and then we started reversing, and that was the setup that I've been looking for. That was one of them. It was Russell. Another one was oil, which has not gotten there yet. You see, I have R5 circled, hasn't quite gotten there, and started rejecting already. And then I think was Russell, was it gold? The other one, yeah, gold was the other one as well. As you can see, I have an alert here for TP1 just being hit. Um, but yeah, gold was another one where I was waiting for the same similar setup to Russell. S5 inside of demand zone, come down, hit S5, start reversing. Gold did not give us that move. Started reversing short of S5. May still come down to S5, but and if it does, I'll pay attention to it. But Russell was the one that actually did the move, came down, hit S5, signal us in with a strong signal as well. Some of the positive confluences was did hit RSI. RSI was at an oversold level. Broke out from this high volume node as well. As you can see, I hate being signaled inside high volume nodes. I'd rather be signaled when we're breaking away from a high volume node, which is what we were doing here. We broke out of this high volume node. Next candle took off. All right. So that's where we're at now. I got one more contract in it. I have my stop moved to break even. Let's get back to that trade. I'm gonna leave it recording because I have some errands to run just to see if I get stopped out at break even or if we end up hitting our second TP target. All right, but it is so far a risk-free trade for me. Um, I had my first target here, and I'm actually aiming for this high volume node right here as my second TP target. So we'll see. We'll see if we get there. I do like where my stop and my entry is. It's below these point of control. London's previous point of control is right there, and we're kind of protected by that. And hopefully we'll stay above it. And this candle right here looks like it's giving us a nice rejection off of that previous point of control. So hopefully by the time I get back, I got a TP2 under my belt. Very close to it now. Probably should close out for a minute. You know what? I got to run my errands. I'm very close. I'm not going to be a dick for a tick. Let's see. We're at 295. We're so close, so close, so close. But yeah, 305. I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna call this one a successful trade, guys. All right, so I'll upload this recap to YouTube. It is my first. What is today? Today's Wednesday. It is my first winning trade of the week. Um, and it does put me slightly up on the week. I did not check it. I did not take a trade Monday. I took one trade yesterday for a loss. That was a 1 hour loss. Lost my full risk on that one, and then this one I hit about 1.5 hours. So um, slightly positive on the week, but hoping to finish the week off strong. We've got 2 more days, and maybe by the time I get back from my errands, there'll be another setup. Still watching oil, which is actually rejecting away from this R5 line, and I was still watching gold, which is moving opposite of that S5 line. So this might be my only trade for today, and very strong possibility. It's 12 noon now, so very strong possibility that is my final trade of the day. All right, guys. Um, look forward to uploading some more trade recaps. But yes, this is my trade recap for today. Thank you. Bye.